So good day everyone. So for today we have this problem here. So we are asked to find or to differentiate y is equal to x squared times the quantity x cubed plus 1. Okay? So I will give you three different ways on how to do it. So let's go directly to the first one. So the first one is actually the easiest one. So the first solution here is all you have to do is to simplify first this one. So x squared times the quantity x cubed plus 1. So you just have to distribute x squared inside. So what will be the final, the product of this? So x squared times x cubed. So they have the same base. So all you have to do is to add the exponent. So that is x to the 2 plus 3, that is 5, plus x. Okay, x squared times 1, that is x squared. So it's already simplified, so all you have to do is to do the differentiation. So dy now over dx is equal to, so the differential of x to the fifth, you just have to apply the power rule. So that is 5 raised to 5 minus 1, that is 4. And then this one will go here, that is 2. And then 2 minus 1 is 1, so that is 2x. So as simple as that. So this is the differential or the differentiated form of this equation, y is equal to x squared times the quantity x cubed plus 1. So that is our first solution. The second solution is you have to apply the power rule or the product rule, wherein if you have the differential of uv, okay, this will be equal to u dv plus v du. Okay, so again, if you have product of two terms, so you can apply this differential form. So the differential of duv is equal to u dv plus v du. So in this case, if you will take x squared as your u and x cubed plus 1 as your v, so you can simply follow this formula here. So let's try. So dy now over dx is equal to, so your u, you just have to copy your u, which is x squared, and then the differential of your v, which is x cubed plus 1, so that will be 3x squared. The differential of constant is always 0, so plus 0, plus v, copy your v, which is x cubed plus 1, and then the differential of your x squared, that is 2x. So simplifying further, so this will be x squared times 3x squared, that is 3 raised to 4, plus 2x plus times x cubed, that is 2x to the 4th, 1 times 2x, that is 2x. So combining similar terms, so we have now 3x to the 4th plus 2x to the 4th, so that is 5x to the 4th plus 2x. So we still arrive with the same answer as our first solution, which is 5x to the 4th plus 2x. Okay? The third solution here is quite unconventional, so but it will be a long one, but in some cases it will be more advantageous, or it is easier to do this one. But for the purpose of this lesson, let's try to do it. So the third solution is, if I will take the logarithms of both sides, or the natural logarithms of both sides, so we'll have ln y is equal now to ln x squared times x cubed plus 1. Okay, so this is okay, product, so we can further simplify this one. So again, review of our logarithms. So if you have here like ln ab, so that will be ln a plus ln b. Okay, so let's separate this one. So that is ln x squared plus ln x cubed plus 1. Okay, and then you will do the differentiation. So what's the difference? The differential of ln y, if you will remember, you have like if you have ln u, so the differential of ln u is 1 over u du. Okay? So 1 over u du. So in this case, since you are doing implicit differentiation, so what is the differential of ln y? So it will be 1 over y dy over dx is equal to, okay, let's apply this one. What's the differential of ln x squared? So that is 1 over x squared. And then du, the differential of x squared, okay, is 2x plus 1 over x cubed plus 1. The differential of your x cubed plus 1, that is 3x squared. Okay, the differential of constant is 0. Okay, so simplifying further, so you have 1 over y dy over dx is equal now to 2x over x squared, this one, plus 3x squared, okay, times the quantity or over x cubed plus 1. So if we'll try to simplify this one, we'll have like x squared, x cubed plus 1, okay, and then this one, so you have 2x here times x cubed plus 1 plus you have x squared times 3x squared. Okay, so you have here, okay, let me just separate that one. So 1 over y dy over dx. Okay, so let's see now here. So let's try to simplify this one. So you have 2x times x cubed, that is 2x to the 4th plus 2x plus you have here 3x to the 4th divided by x squared times the quantity x cubed plus 1. So 1 over y dy over dx. So if you would notice here, you have here 1 over y. So if you will cross multiply this one here, so you will have now like this term. So 2x to the 4th plus 2x plus 3x to the 4th over x squared x cubed plus 1 times y. So times y, but y, okay, if you will notice that y is equal to x squared plus or times x cubed plus 1. So I'll just try to put it here, x squared plus or times x cubed plus 1. So this will now cancel here, this will now cancel to your y value. So in the end, if you will add if you will simplify this one, you will get the same, which is 5x to the 4th plus 2x. So dy over dx. So in the end, we arrive with the same answer as 5x to the 4th plus 2x. Okay? So I have presented this one. In some other cases, maybe in our next episode, we will try to see when this particular method or solution is more applicable. Okay? So with that, thank you very much for watching. Of course, don't forget to watch, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for you to get updated on our succeeding videos. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.